Customers looking to get a bid to have their front entryway replaced, or their walkway. So we've got 7 feet wide by 12 feet deep and kind of flaring out a little bit. And we are going to replace this with Indiana limestone. It's currently wet set Fond du Lac, but you can kind of see how it's breaking apart here. They've salted it, it's in rough shape. So we're going to bid this with patterned limestone. And then we're also going to bid the area off to the right of it. I'm going to do this as a line item. It's at 8 feet by 16 feet, and this will also be patterned limestone. And we're going to basically bid to put a patio in this space as well. Notice that they do have a downspout right here, and we're going to put a catch basin and then a pop-up over here. Probably bring 12 feet at a pop-up, and then they also have the gas meter here. So I told him it's going to show. He understands that. He said he'll put a big old pot there. So, but just be aware of that. So we have to dig this area, this 5 by 6 area out by hand for the gas area. All right. So we've got the walkway and we've got the patio here, and that's going to be out of patterned limestone. All right. As a third area, this is a little bit more of a nuisance. So he had a pool put in the backyard last year, or maybe 2 years ago or whatever. And you can see he's got water issues going along here. So he wants us to scrape out the grass and put in some filter fabric, and then put in some of this 2 to 3 inch, it looks like, dresser rock. And it's going to be, I'll call it 35-ish feet by 4 feet, 35 by 4, to take this out and to put the new stuff in. We're going to want to also put in, I told him that we would get a ditch witch or some sort of other auger type of thing, and dig a trench through here, and put some corrugated tube down there, and then fill it in with some crushed rock, even this decorative rock or whatever, as a way for stuff to drain in here. All right, so we're just basically extending that over, getting rid of the grass, extending this blue rock over, and then we're going to be putting in some steppers, some 18 by 2 steppers. And I'm just going to quickly pace off how many that would be. It'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll call it 18 steppers. 18 by 2 steppers coming across here. Like I said, this is, it's boggy in here. Ditch witch for sure for that thing. We might also consider, in this instance, getting a walk behind, like a dingo of some sort. Yeah, the amount that I'm going to have to charge for this, he's going to say no to it. It doesn't really matter. So, but these two certainly are good options here. All right. So we've got the walkway and the patio, Indiana limestone. I'm just going to put a little bit extra in here because I just know he's going to ask us to tuck point. So just be aware of that as well.